Hmm. Hello, anyone? Yeah? Oh, hi. Could you come down here for a second? Sure. What do you need? I kinda need... We're going to this place called, We're going to this place called Texas. I was born there. My, mom and dad, neither are still alive. I doubt that they are, but it would be such an honor to see them. What's your family name? Well, named is Nick. Want to team up in this kind of war? Sure. But, do you know, how to get to, Colombia? Colombia. Yeah, actually, I do. Whoa, what was that? Sounds like a smoker to me. Smoker? What's a smoker? They really long time, hold you, and then they try to, eat you, I guess, once you're pulled all the way to them. That's kind of scary. It's very scary. My buddy died because he was a smoker. Odd. Smokers got me. Oh, where'd you go? I'm up here dangling from its tongue. Ooh, that is so gross. No, dude. You should really just shoot the tongue and slice it. Whatever you do, do it. No, I'm a mechanic. Okay, we'll be a mechanic. Slice that tongue, idiot. Sure thing. Ladder. Aha, ladder. No, don't. I'm gonna die either way. Oh. Sucker. Oh. Help me on this tongue, would you? Sure thing. Oh, an axe. Nice. Practice. Kinda works, kinda doesn't. Chop. Wow. Let's go to the junkyard, see what's there. The junkyard. Let's see. Oh, look at this. Oh, what is that? robot pieces, I guess. You know, we could take those pieces and build our own robot. You know, I highly doubt it, but it would not hurt to try. Yeah, it wouldn't. Wait, that's what my dad always says. Really? Maybe I'm your dad. Yeah, right. That's awfully weird. We gotta go searching for the pieces. Oh, they're all there though. Well, yeah. Okay, let's start building then. This is gonna be a while, I guess. Meanwhile, building. Meanwhile, building. Crank, 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 crank. You know, actually turned out pretty good. Yeah, it did. So, wait a minute. Let's put the plate down. Good idea. So we should put like I don't know, cannon? Nah. You know what? Yeah, that'll be good. That'll be great idea. And let's put like a missile. Sure. Where do you get these ideas though? Gotta tell me. Okay, I'll tell you once we're done. Run, 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 run. Ain't she a beauty? Yeah, she is. I'll drive it. I'll drive it. Move. You can use my sword. You know, we should get more glue for this. Dude, how much money do you got? We do not need to buy stuff in zombie attack. Let's fight. I don't have a robot. I know. You use weapons, I'll use the robot. How much money? Why would you care about money during a zombie attack? Fine. Oh! 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 I just own you. Yeah, 'cause you're a robot. Oh, my arm. Ow. Mommy. 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 You were some ninja. How about? What is yeah. Well, yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh. Oh. Boom. Oh. Bam. Oh. I'll kill that ninja. I'll do that ninja. That thing I got. Yeah. Good thing I added these. No, no, no. Bam! Eat him, zombies! Yeah! Ah. You know, you're tough. I know I'm tough. I'm more tough than you. Shit! We do fist to fist. How about that? Yeah, deal. Sure, why not? Just to let you know, they're gonna go down. Oh, sure. By the way, are you rich or anything? Why are you asking me that? I don't know. I know. I need someone rich. Kind of. I was born in Savannah. People think I'm a redneck, like my friend Ryan's brothers think that I'm a redneck, but Ryan likes me. You're a redneck. Shut up! Oh! Dude, you okay? Do you think I'm okay? Yeah, you look fine. What is that? Oh, that smoker. Oh! It doesn't feel so good, does it? No, it feels awful. Just don't let this thing eat me. You know, I think I'm gonna watch for like 5 minutes or so. 5 minutes? I will be dead by then. That sucks. You douche. You think that you're the best because you're not the one getting attacked by a stupid little smoker. Oh, you do not want to call them. They don't speak human. You're a douche, you know that? If I'm such a douche, how come I'm gonna do this? No, if you go down, I'm gonna fall and die. Good point. Yay, I never liked you, and I never will. No. Wow. Whoa. Ellis, you alright? Hey. Don't worry, I'll save you, Ellis. I haven't seen Hunter in a while. You know, since all of that, it looks like if I died right now. I would. I'm just saying, you wanna know why? Oh. Hey, you sucker, chase this. Brain. Oh, where's the rest of them? Yeah. Oh no, I'm gonna blow. Oh. Ah, gross. It tongue. Oh. Whoa! To be continued. Dun dun dun.